Hi, it's Bill here with Immaculate Paint Protection. I'm just doing some field research today showing you why paint protection film is important. Here's a 2017 Ford Mustang, 30,000 miles on the odometer. Let's take a look at the front end. This vehicle, it's a great looking car, except it's got a bunch of rock chips, stone chips all over the front end here. 30,000 miles, 2017. That's got to be touched up. That's got to be touched up. Something that's interesting here is if you look, you can kind of see how it's all grainy, spotted up through here. That's not dirt. Those are microchips, or that's from the sand and the gravel and the embers they throw down on the road. So unfortunately, all this texture in here, that's all removed paint. That's going to have to be sanded out. Bumper's going to be needed pulled off. That's going to go to the body shop, professionally resprayed, which is talking about $1,000. So if they would have got paint protection film on this vehicle from the very start, you wouldn't see any of that paint defects on there. So if you don't want your vehicle looking like this after 30,000 miles, contact us at ImmaculatePaintProtection.com.